everyone. Now I will continue with the second part of nicotinamide coenzymes. What we already have seen that hydride ion attacks on NAD positive or NADP positive and then it becomes neutral by accepting this hydride ion. NAD positive changes into NADH, which is reduced form of nicotinamide coenzyme, while it is oxidized form of nicotinamide coenzymes. So this is the reaction. This is some substrate which is to be oxidized. Here this is NAD positive. I have only mentioned here the reactive part, that is nicotinamide part. Rest is I have shown like this. So this is the substrate which is undergoing oxidation. So its hydride ion H negative attacks on this portion. Reaction goes like this. This bond will shift here and then this shifts on this N positive, NAD positive. This nitrogen becomes neutral and this bond shifts here and this H comes here. So X will become X positive. That means it undergoes oxidation like this. X positive, oxidized substrate. Clear? And this becomes NADH. Hydride ion always comes at the fourth position. Mind it, this hydride ion always comes at this fourth position. Here is an example of a reaction which takes the help of NADH or NADPH for undergoing oxidation or reduction. So enzyme is liver alcohol dehydrogenase. As the name dehydrogenase or alcohol. Alcohol का oxidation dehydrogenase, removal of hydrogen. So how this takes place? In this reaction, reduction of pyruvic acid to lactic acid. Pyruvic acid changes to lactic acid. Its reduction takes place. Pyruvic acid is this C double bond O, COOH carboxylic acid, and here is CH3. So this carbonyl gets reduced to alcohol. This OH and hydrogen. This becomes lactic acid and that is also S form of lactic acid, not R. Clear? So how this reaction takes place? Here, because the reaction of reduction takes place, so we are using reducing agent like NADH or NADPH. That means here already hydrogen is present and no positive on nitrogen. Clear? So this lone pair of nitrogen comes here and then this bond shifts here and then this hydride ion released. Hydride ion attacks on this and this bond shifts above side, O negative. Clear? So that means H negative attacks, just like sodium borohydride, that also releases H negative and then reduction of carbonyl compound takes place. Similarly, here hydride ion releases from NADH or NADPH and then attacks on this carbonyl group of pyruvic acid and then pyruvic acid get reduced to lactic acid. Clear? This is lactic acid, this is reduced form of pyruvic acid, carbonyl group. And this nitrogen, because lone pair attacks, lone pair goes in resonance, so this becomes positive now. That means NADH or NADPH changes into NAD positive or NADP positive respectively. This reaction is stereospecific. Why this reaction is stereospecific? As we have seen that only one type of stereoisomer is formed, only S form and no R form is formed. So this reaction is stereospecific as only one enantiomer is formed. Clear? But if we have done this reaction in our laboratory conditions, then we definitely get a racemic mixture of R lactic acid as well as S lactic acid. Clear? And some observations are there with nicotinamide coenzymes, as this is when it is used as a reducing agent, this can distinguish between two protons. Here two protons on nicotinamide coenzymes, one is below the plane and above is above the plane. So nicotinamide enzyme can differentiate between these two protons and only the proton which is on top side can attack. Clear? Nicotinamide coenzyme as a reducing agent can distinguish between two protons and hence top hydrogen migrates on the top face of substrate. That means only one enantiomer can be formed easily. Clear? So this can be determined with the help of deuterium labeling. When we have done this experiment with some labeling, when we use this hydrogen, replace this hydrogen with deuterium. That means if we have labeled this hydrogen and use deuterium, and this is only hydrogen and this is deuterium, then we also seen that only the atom present at the top position is moving, is transferring. Clear? So deuterium labeling clears this concept that the hydrogen present at the top face of substrate only migrates as hydride. And how this takes place? Actually, nicotinamide coenzymes require divalent metal ions. निकोटिनामाइड कोएंजाइम्स जो है इसको एक डाईवेलेंट मेटल आयन चाहिए, जैसे ये Mg2 पॉजिटिव. इसने क्या किया Mg2 पॉजिटिव ने, जैसे ये निकोटिनामाइड का स्ट्रक्चर था, यहाँ पे CONH2 था, ये इसके नीचे से जा रहा है CONH2. इसने क्या किया, इसने एंजाइम जो प्रोटीनस जो एंजाइम है अल्कोहल डीहाइड्रोजिनेज, उसके साथ उसके NH के साथ इसने बाइंड कर लिया. ये बाइंड हो गया तो ये वाला ग्रुप जो है पूरी तरह से रिजिड हो गया. सिमिलरली जो ये वाला कार्बोनिल था वो किससे बाइंड हो गया, इसका ऑक्सीजन डाईवेलेंट कैटायन के साथ. अब क्या हुआ, जो ये पायरुविक एसिड हमने लिया, ये वाला पायरुविक एसिड, ये भी कुछ इस तरीके से अरेंज हो जाता है. इसका मिथाइल C डबल बॉन्ड O, C डबल बॉन्ड O OH. हाउ दिस अरेंजेस लाइक दिस, कि इसका जो कार्बोनिल है जिसे रिड्यूस होना है वो कार्बोनिल और जो ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट अमाइड है उसका कार्बोनिल दोनों एक ही साइड आ जाते हैं, और मैग्नीशियम जो डाईवेलेंट कैटायन है वो इनको टाइटली होल्ड कर लेता है, और इस तरीके से सबस्ट्रेट भी टाइटली होल्ड हो जाता है. तो इसके कारण क्या होता है, ओनली जो टॉप हाइड्रोजन है वो ही सिर्फ मूव कर पाता है. क्लियर? रिएक्शन विल रिमेन सेम, लोन पेयर अटैक्स एंड देन दिस मूव्स एंड दिस हाइड्राइड आयन मूव्स. क्लियर? Then other example is oxidation of malate, that is secondary alcohol to oxaloacetate, that is ketone. So in this reaction what we have seen that secondary alcohol gets oxidized to ketone. We already know that primary alcohol changes into aldehyde when it oxidizes and secondary alcohol changes into ketone. So this reaction takes place in the presence of malate dehydrogenase. Malate dehydrogenase. Clear? And how this reaction takes place, that some part of this enzyme, some amino acid residue of this enzyme acts as base. This base is what? No extra base. This base is actually the amino acid residue of malate dehydrogenase enzyme, and this is malate. Carbon OH HCOO negative and then CH2COO negative. This is malate, malic acid. Clear? So residue, amino acid residue part of malate dehydrogenase enzyme acts as base and removes this hydrogen. When this hydrogen gets removed, this lone pair, this bond pair moves further, comes here, and this carbon will automatically form 4 bonds, 1, 2, 3 and 4th, which is coming from this side. So this hydrogen moves as hydride anion towards NAD positive or NADP positive. So this hydride ion attacks here, this bond shifts, and then this bond again shifts on this nitrogen positive, and this becomes neutral like this, NADH or NADPH. Clear? So this H removes as H positive. Here is the H positive ion and H negative ion, which is this is H negative, and then this molecule becomes, here carbon becomes C double bond O as this bond is moved. So C double bond O, COO negative, CH2 COO negative. This is actually oxaloacetate anion. Clear? So we have seen that Nicotinamide coenzymes behaves as hydride ion reducing agents, just like sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydrides. So this coenzyme is biological equivalent of sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydride, which are reducing agents in our general organic chemistry. Clear? So we have completed our nicotinamide coenzymes. Next time we will discuss our next coenzyme. Thank you.